Hi, and welcome back to Kaiser Small Engine Repair. Today we have another review to do for Hipa 360. They have sent us another set of their adjustment tuning screwdrivers for your trimmers, hedgers, chain saws, your manis tillers, and etc. Let's take an overview of the case to begin with. On the front of their case it says Hipa, fixing machines can be easier. Nice, firm, molded case. Really nice. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alrighty. This kit comes with a spark tester. You would hook your HT lead onto this prong here, and then you set your spark gap by twisting this knob right here. If you're watching here as I adjust this out, the gap will get wider. You can set your gap. That is very nice. This end of the spark tester you would connect to your head or to any part that is metal on the machine. This is very nice. I like this. Up next, let's go through our screwdrivers here and see what all it has came with. First off, very nice construction of the handles. The handles are made of good. Again, this is the Pac-Man. Very nice construction. Metal shank on the screwdriver. Again, a good solid plastic handle to grip to. This is the Pac-Man. Up next, we have the hectagon. Up next, we have the thread chaser. We have the 6-star. We have the double D. The splined. Another splined. These are different though, guys. On the other side, we have the Pac-Man, the small one. Up next, we have the single D. We have the single D, the small one. Up next, we have the flatway shaped. We have the A circle. Up next, we have the outer hexagon. And up last, we have the small A circle. guys, you can find these adjustment kits on Hipa's official website at www.hipa360.com. Hipa has done an amazing job of creating the products so the average homeowner like you can afford these products. They are quality and they are outstanding, guys. Hipa doesn't only have the adjustment screwdrivers for your small engine equipment, but they also have numerous carburetors for your riding lawnmowers, your weed eaters, your trimmers, your hedgers, your manis tillers, and etc. This case, guys, is fixed with a structural elastic band on the inside with a net casing for you to keep your screwdrivers organized in. We'll just go ahead and put these back in here, and that's way you guys can see how organized it keeps everything. I really like Hipa's products that they have, guys. They have went beyond to make great products so everyone could have the privilege of being able to fix their own machinery without having to take it out and pay expensive rates to have their equipment worked on. Look at that, guys, how nice them screwdrivers are packed in there. You can also put your spark tester in there. Just coil the wire up. And slip it down beside of the screwdrivers over here. Like so. And when you're finished, just shut the lid, or shut the case, and zip it up. Very nice. Hipa, y'all have exceeded and went way and beyond to make the products that you have. I am super excited to review your all's products and do anything that I can. Guys, we have a new group now on Facebook under Kaiser Small Engine Repair. You can find it on your Facebook groups. Feel free to join the group and associate and have a good wrenching time. Until next time, this is Kaiser from Kaiser Small Engine Repair. Remember, always count on me to keep your blades turning.